my beautiful fart faces. Today I have a unboxing, but it's already unboxed because this is a canvas I actually purchased from Purple Door Crafts. She was destashing, so I was like, oh, that's the canvas that I want. And because she lives by me, I was able to get it without having to pay for shipping, so that was amazing. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis. So today we're actually going to be unboxing Mixing Magic. I will pull that sheet out so I can show you the thumbnail. This is from Diamond Art Club. Let's see. And just so you know, if you ever buy a Diamond Art Club from someone who's destashing, it voids the warranty. So if you are missing drills, you're on your own. Or if you spill your drills, you're on your own. So hopefully, crossing fingers, I don't spill my drills. So here it is. Mixing Magic by Christine Karron. Karron, whatever. Christine. Sorry, I can't pronounce that. Here's the thumbnail. Look, there's a little kitty, a mouse, a froggy, some bats. And it's a square and it measures 56 by 74 centimeters. That's a big one. Here is the schematic. Because this is an older kit, it doesn't have the pre-cut labels. It's 50 colors with, it looks like 2 ABs. So 124 and 133. Here's a little sticker that you get with your kit. I'm probably going to put this in my logbook because I don't have the box for this one. It came wrapped up with First Snow, which I also purchased from Sherry. I got these for a really good deal, too. So, let's open this baby up. Wow! It's really big. Okay, so we'll take a look at the bottom at first. On the left-hand side, we do have the schematic, which I will show you. So, it looks like it's letters and symbols. Some numbers as well. 50 colors. I'm going to have to figure out what containers I have to do this in. The schematic is on the top left as well. And then here is her face. Let's look at the detail in her face. Very pretty. Here's the owl. These are, what is this? Garlic, I think that's hanging. Here's some cute bats that are hanging out. Bats by Garlic. Aren't vampires bats or something like that? I don't know. Here's some bottles. Here is the cat. Oh, he's so cute. And then here's the mouse. What is that? Oh, this is a pumpkin, so this might be good for a Halloween canvas. So it's a good mixture, it looks like, of color blocking and some confetti areas. Like this pumpkin's going to be all color blocking. She's going to be mostly color blocking, and then just like in the details of the smaller things in the background, that will be confetti. Very nice. I like this canvas a lot. There's more mice. Look at them. They're hanging out. And then there's the frog, a bottle of something, or jar of something. Maybe some brains. Who knows? Some green goo. Ew. So let's take a look at the crystals, the diamonds, the drills, whatever you want to call them, and we'll see where the ABs go, but we'll also look at them. So the first AB is 124. So I'm just gonna look in here. Okay, so well, this one is 133. So 133 is this orange color. That's an AB. And then the pinkish white. Here is the second AB. 124. So not a lot of the 124. We'll see where that goes. And then you can get a feel for the color. So some dark colors, but then also some bright colors that will complement the dark colors. I'm not going to take them all out of the drill bag. And I'm not going to do a drill train because I always fast forward when people do drill trains. Sorry. So we'll look at the canvas. Number 1. Which is the smaller amount of ABs. Where do those go? There's some ones in the garlic here. This very light pink. I'm not seeing ones anywhere else. Maybe that's the only place. That's kind of disappointing. I wish that there was more ABs, more of the one AB somewhere. And then the 2 is that orange AB, which I'm guessing, yep, it's going to be all in her crazy hair. She has very nice curly hair. It's very luscious. And so in her hair, throughout her hair. And I think, is there any in the pumpkin? And then there's some 2s in the pumpkin, which is disappointing because there's some here too. There's so many 2s, but there's not a lot of 1s. I might have to see what I have for ABs in my stash, and then maybe we can do that, like add more ABs, or maybe we'll add some sparklers. Like I think in her shirt and stuff, that would be cool for sparklers, or by her eyes or something. I don't really know. I'm not very creative with sparklers like Abigail Marie is. Maybe I'll ask her for some tips. So this is Mixing Magic. What do you guys think of the canvas? It's really big. It measures, again, 56 by 74. Let me know in the comments down below if you have this one, or if it's in your stash, or if you completed it. Even better, I want to see. If you're new here, I'd love to have you as part of my hive. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. I post new diamond painting videos on an almost daily basis. So I will talk to you guys later in my next video. Bye!